Hi guys, welcome to my another video. Now here in Dubai, everyone start talk about the Fuljarsoda, which is currently trending in Kerala. I'm gonna try and show you how to make Fuljarsoda at home. I have taken 4 chilies, one big piece of ginger and some fresh mint leaves. I'm going to grind it very quickly and come back. So our paste is ready. Now you can see I have taken some salt and there is some sugar syrup, and also I have taken some Cuscus. Let me squeeze the lemons. All our ingredients are ready. So now let's start. Okay, let me add the lime juice first. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let's add the paste, the ginger, chilli, mint paste. Okay, add some salt. For sweetness, I'm going to try 2 varieties. One is Nannari syrup and another one sugar syrup. Here I'm going to try sugar syrup, okay? Let's mix it well. Am I missing something? Yeah guys, the Cuscus. Okay, let me add some Cuscus and let me mix it really well. For the whole process you need these small glasses. This one you can get it from IKEA very cheaply. The big one is 3 dirham and small ones are 1 dirham. So you may get it for 6 pieces in one small box. Now we are in our climax part. Let's add the soda and drop the small glass into the jar. So guys, this is my first drop. So let's see what happens. Guys, as you can see, my first drop wasn't really successful because I hold the soda for a very long time. So I have taken a fresh soda, and instead of sugar syrup, I'm using the Nannari syrup. So let's try again. Guys, this is awesome. This is something unique. You should try at home. Okay? Bye bye.